Welcome to another Mockplus video. Today, we're going to talk about the review module, where you can add a wide variety of manual specs directly onto your design for others to see right away. Mockplus provides many review tools to help product managers and designers deliver precise information to developers. Add text markups simply by placing and dragging the comment tool from the point that you would like to comment on. Click on Coordinate Markup in the upper left corner and click where you want your two coordinates. To get detailed distances or points between elements, click on Spacing Markup and draw a line with your mouse. To get exact height and width specs, click on Region Markup. Drag the region you want to mark up with your mouse to show your specs on your design in seconds. To indicate a specific color, click Color Markup. Now, click any element to directly mark the hex code on your design. You can further customize your manual specs by changing the color or look of their lines, the background color, highlighted color, or text color. By having these manual spec markups, you will save your team huge amounts of time both communicating and writing down each value. Now you can simply display everything you want to mark up directly on your design to show the developer. You can even copy the property values. In review mode, you can also easily switch between any page to quickly review your project, either through the project tree or these left and right arrows. You can also pin a comment or check anyone else's comments and change their status. Additionally, you can check all comments in the right-hand comment tab. To see more about our commenting features, check out our other video on the comment module.